SmartDraw is the perfect replacement for Visio, Lucid, and Miro at a much more reasonable price. It checks every box you'd expect from a fully featured diagramming and collaboration app for just $5 per user per month. And the transition to SmartDraw is easy. Bulk import your files from Lucid and Visio and pick up where you left off in SmartDraw. SmartDraw is best in class for making diagrams like flowcharts, org charts, mind maps, project charts, engineering and technical diagrams, and floor plans. In real-time collaboration makes it easy for teams to plan, execute, and review as a team, staying on the same page with shared ideas. But we also have many features that other products don't have or will charge you extra for, like data visualizers that help you import your Azure and AWS architecture, org chart data, ERDs, and other software diagrams and reports. You can also configure SmartDraw to use your existing file storage solutions like OneDrive, SharePoint, or Google Drive using your established folders and permissions, giving you full control of your data in one place. Minimize risk, simplify compliance, and increase data security. SmartDraw works hand in glove with your existing IT infrastructure without disruption to maximize what you've already invested in. You can provision users, save files, and set permissions entirely inside the Microsoft or Google Enterprise stack. SmartDraw also allows for seamless integration with Atlassian and Microsoft Teams. And as an enterprise customer, you will have your own dedicated support rep for onboarding, training, and more. All of this for 75% less than the price of Lucidchart, Visio, and Miro. No other app comes close. Enterprise-class diagramming, whiteboarding, and data, seamless integrations, and powerful security at an unbeatable price. Replace your existing solution today and use SmartDraw across your enterprise.